Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what many consider the best full XL cotton sheets on the market, the Cottingon 4-piece full XL dorm bedding set. If you're looking for premium quality, comfort, and durability, this bedding set is designed to meet those needs and elevate your sleep experience. The Cottingon bedding set is crafted from 100% long staple premium Egyptian cotton. This material is well known for its exceptional softness, breathability, and strength. The long staple fibers ensure that the fabric feels silky smooth against your skin while also being durable enough to last through countless washes. The fabric's breathability helps regulate temperature, keeping you cool and comfortable all night long. This set is specifically designed to fit full XL mattresses, which measure 54 by 80 inches, with an extra long length perfect for dorm rooms or college beds. One of the standout features is the fitted sheet with a full 360-degree elastic band that accommodates mattress depths up to 15 inches. This deep pocket design ensures that the sheet stays securely in place, no matter how much you move during the night, and it's especially helpful for adjustable beds or mattresses with toppers. Included in the set are 2 pillowcases, 1 flat sheet, and 1 fitted sheet, giving you everything you need for a complete bed setup. The pillowcases measure 20 by 30 inches, providing a perfect fit for standard pillows. The flat sheet measures 84 by 100 inches, offering ample coverage with a split-top design that allows for extra comfort, especially on adjustable beds. Cottingon emphasizes not just comfort, but also easy care. These sheets are machine washable, and the company recommends washing in cold or lukewarm water with tumble drying on low heat. Avoid bleaching or high-temperature drying to maintain the fabric's integrity and softness. Over time, these cotton sheets become even softer, enhancing that luxurious hotel-like feel in your own home. Another key point is the OEKO Tech certification. This certification guarantees that the sheets are free from harmful chemicals, making them safe for you and your family, while also supporting environmentally responsible manufacturing practices. The manufacturing also considers worker well-being, adhering to standards that protect workers' rights and health. The Cottingon Full XL sheets come in a clean, classic white solid pattern, making them versatile enough to blend seamlessly with any bedroom decor. Whether you are furnishing a dorm room, guest room, or your master bedroom, these sheets offer a premium look and feel that elevates the space. In terms of durability, the premium Egyptian cotton and quality stitching make these sheets a lasting investment. The fabric holds up well over time, resisting wear and tear, while maintaining a crisp, fresh appearance. The deep pockets and elasticized edges ensure that the sheets remain snug and wrinkle-free, reducing the need for constant adjustments. Overall, the Cottingon 4-piece full XL dorm bedding set provides a perfect balance of luxury, practicality, and durability. If you want bedding that offers a soft, breathable sleep surface that fits deeply on your mattress without slipping, and is easy to care for, this set is an excellent choice. It's designed to provide comfort for all seasons, making it a versatile addition to your home. Thank you for watching Product Critique. If you're in the market for the best full XL cotton sheets, the Cottingon set is definitely worth considering. Be sure to check it out and experience a new level of sleep comfort. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more honest product reviews. Sweet dreams.